In this video, you'll learn how to connect ChatGPT with Zoho Mail using Zapier. By following these steps, you will be able to automate tasks between these two platforms. Begin by navigating to the Zapier homepage. In your web browser, enter the URL for Zapier and press enter. Once the page loads, you should see the main dashboard where you can access various features. Next, locate and click on the Zaps option in the left-hand menu. This will direct you to a page displaying your current Zaps and the option to create new ones. You will recognize this screen by the prominent Create Zap button available at the top. After that, type ChatGPT Zoho Mail in the search bar at the top of the page. This will help you find the integration template you need. The search results will display options related to your query. Once the relevant template appears, click on the Start Building button. This will take you to the Zap editor where you can customize your automation. You will know you are in the right place when you see the editor interface with options to set triggers and actions. Wait for Zapier to generate the necessary components for your Zap. This process may take a few moments, so be patient as the system processes your request. A loading indicator may appear while this is happening. Now, type in the email address you want to use for the integration. Ensure this email is associated with your Zoho Mail account. This step is crucial for successful communication between the two services. Next, click on ChatGPT OpenAI to select it as the application you will be using. This action will prompt Zapier to load the corresponding setup options for ChatGPT. Then click on Action Event to choose what you want ChatGPT to do. This will present you with various actions to select from, each corresponding to different functionalities. Now, click on Send Prompts to configure how ChatGPT will process the information you send it. This step is essential for defining the interaction between your inputs and the AI. Following this, select Analyze Image Content with Vision Legacy for an additional processing option if needed. This feature allows ChatGPT to interpret image content if your workflow involves images. Next, click on Account to specify which account you are connecting. You will need to authenticate your ChatGPT account here to establish a secure connection. After that, click on Connect ChatGPT OpenAI to finalize the connection setup. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your account is now linked. Proceed by clicking on Zoho Mail to add this service to your Zap. This action will allow you to configure how emails will be sent from your ChatGPT interactions. Then click on Action Event again to define what action you want to take within Zoho Mail. This will present you with options related to email actions that can be automated. Click on Send Email to set up the email sending action. This is a critical step as it determines how the information generated by ChatGPT will be dispatched to your email. Next, click on Send Email once more to finalize the setup for the email sending action. This redundancy allows for added confirmation of your desired action. Now click on Account to specify which Zoho Mail account you will be using. Ensure you have access to this account to avoid any interruptions in the automation process. Finally, click on Connect Zoho Mail to complete the integration process. Once connected, you will receive a confirmation that your accounts are successfully linked, enabling the automation to function as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.